Hello, welcome or welcome back. Today we are going to see the famous Leetcode first problem 2-sum. It is an easy level problem, so we are going to see how to tackle it the best way. Given an array of integers, nums, and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. So there will be an array given 2, 7, 11, 15. So we have to find which two numbers among them add up to this particular target present. So you can assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. So we cannot use two elements twice and you can return the answer in any order. So first, let's see what's the ideology behind it. So 2, 7, 11, 15 as we see, and the target is 9. So obviously 2 plus 7 would be our answer. But this is the easy way of doing it. That is iterating through the entire array and multiple times. One way would be you get 2 and then you iterate through the array again and find 7. What does it take? N squared time complexity, but we don't want such a huge time complexity. So the best thing we can do over here is get a hash map. Now, how is our hash map going to help? Well, we are going to create a hash map having two key and value pairs. Now, in it, we are going to add our elements one by one. How? Let's take this first example, 2, 7, 11, 15, and our target is 9. This is our target. First, we see 2 and calculate its component. What is the component of 2? It will be 9 minus 2, which is 7. Is 7 present in my hash map? No. So we will just add 2 and its index value, which is 0. Now in the second one, we see that 7 is what we are encountering is 7. Again, 9 minus 7 gives me 2. So I'm going to search this 2 in my hash map. Since this 2 is already present in my hash map with my index value as 0, so what I'm going to do is print my 2's index value, that is 0, that is get whatever is present inside my hash map at 2 and print the index value, that is 7's index value, which is 1, and we are going to get our answer that way. Now similarly, if we see another example, 3, 3, 2, 4 and target is 6. So first we see 3 and its complement of 6 minus 3 would be 3. Is it present in my hash map? Yes, it is present. I mean, we have not added it yet, but in my array it's present, but I cannot use the same element twice. So what am I gonna do? I will add 3 over here with its index value 0. Now I'll go to 2. Complement of 2 would be 6 minus 2 equals to 4. Is 4 present? No. So I'll add 2 and its index value. Now comes to my third element. This is 6 minus 4 equals to 2. So is 2 present in my hash map? Absolutely, it is present. So what am I going to do? I'm going to print this index value, that is 1, and 4's index value, which is 2. So I'm going to get 1, 2, which is our answer. Okay. So now let's dive into the code. So how can we code the solution? Well, obviously, first we're going to need a hash map. So map of integer, integer map equals to new hash map. So we have created our hash map. Inside this, well, not inside this, obviously. First we have to take the first we have to run through the loop and take each element from there. So we are traversing our array right now and we are calculating the component. So component would be our target minus our value, whichever is present at that particular index. Now after we have got that component, we will find if my map dot contains key of that component. If it contains, we are going to return from there, return new int our map dot get whatever is present at the component, that is the component's index and my current index value. If not, we are going to put this element inside my hash map, nums of I, I. Okay, and then if we didn't find anything, then we'll return a new list. Got it? So let's see. Let's run it and see. Yeah, it passes. And okay, it beats 99% solutions. This is your solution. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.